In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop users from joining your Discord server by removing active invite links and blocking members from creating new ones. This is a simple but very important Discord security step if you want more control over who can access your community. Whether you're managing a private server, a team space, or a growing community, this method helps you tighten access fast. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Discord tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Discord and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, open the server that you want to restrict. Make sure you are in the correct server before changing anything, because these settings only apply to the server you select. Now, click the server name at the top left of the screen. This opens the server menu, where you'll find the main administration options. From that menu, click Server Settings. This is where Discord keeps all the controls for invites, roles, permissions, and more. Next, go to Invites. Here, you'll see any active invite links that are currently available for people to use. If you want to stop new people from joining through a link, delete or expire any invite links you no longer want people to use. This is an important step, because even if your server settings are strict, an old invite link can still let users in if it's still active. Take a moment to review each invite carefully. If you see links that were shared publicly, posted in old messages, or sent to people you no longer want joining, remove them right away. Once those invites are deleted or expired, they can no longer be used to enter your server. Now, if you also want to prevent members from creating new invite links, you'll need to adjust role permissions. Go back to Server Settings, then click Roles. Select the role you want to edit. This could be a member role, a trusted role, or any role you want to restrict. Inside that role, look for the permission called Create Invite. Disable that permission. This stops users with that role from generating new invite links and sharing access with others. After turning it off, save the changes. This is one of the best ways to keep your Discord server more private and controlled. By removing old invite links and disabling invite creation, you greatly reduce the chance of unwanted users joining your server. If you want even tighter security, you can also review other role permissions and make sure only trusted admins have invite access. That way, you stay in control of who can bring new members into the community. And that's it. You now know how to stop users from joining your Discord server by removing invite links and blocking new ones from being created. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more Discord guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.